Hello and welcome. Are you looking to make some extra cash on the side or even start a full-time online business? In this video, we'll share 10 proven strategies to help you make money online. Number 1 is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you can offer your skills as a freelancer to clients around the world. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, or a developer, there's a high demand for freelancers in almost every field. The next is selling products online. You can start an online store with platforms like Shopify or sell your products on Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. This can include physical or digital products, and you can even use the dropshipping to sell products without holding inventory. Number 3, we have online teaching. With platforms like Udemy or Teachable, you can create and sell online courses on any topic you are knowledgeable about. This can include anything from language learning to marketing strategies. Before we move on to the 4th strategy, kindly smash the like and subscribe button so that you can keep on getting the informative videos like this. So number 4, we have affiliate marketing. Yes, by promoting other people's product or services and earning a commission for each sale, you can make money as an affiliate marketer. You can find affiliate programs on sites like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or Commission Junction. Number 5, we have blogging. So blogging with platforms like WordPress or Medium, you can create a blog and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. This can take time to build up but can be a great long-term strategy for making money online. Number 6, we have social media marketing. By creating and managing social media accounts for businesses, you can make money as a social media marketer. You can find clients on freelance platforms or by reaching to businesses directly. Number 7 is virtual assistant. By offering administrative or creative support to businesses remotely, you can make money as a virtual assistant. You can find clients on sites like remote.co or Upwork. Number 8, we have stock trading. With online brokerage platforms like Robinhood or eTrade, you can invest in stocks and potentially make money through trading. This strategy does require knowledge and research to be successful. Number 9 is online service. By completing online service on sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie, you can make money in your spare time. While this won't make you rich, it can be an easy and convenient way to earn extra cash. Number 10, selling domain names. So if you are good at finding and buying valuable domain names, you can make money by selling them to businesses or individuals who need them. You can use sites like GoDaddy or Sedo to buy and sell domain names. So these are just few of the many ways to make money online. Find the strategy that works best for you and get started today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.